Let's talk about business review sites. Now, when you're going to buy something or you're looking for a service provider, what's the first thing you do? If you're anything like me, you go straight to Google, type in a search, and start going over the results or the reviews. Now, there are a ton of these review sites out there, and some are even specific to auto body shops. But the truth is, there's only a couple of these you really need to focus on. Now, the primary one, the big dog, is Google My Business. And reviews from Google My Business show up on Google Search and Google Maps. The other one is Facebook. Now, regardless of your thoughts on Facebook, whether you love it or hate it, you need a business page. Both of these platforms have the ability where you can claim your listing or create it if it doesn't exist yet. And once you do so, then you can make sure all the information they have is correct, whether it's your phone number, your physical address, your website, and so on. So for both of these, you should really consider claiming your listing, correcting everything, and then start responding to any reviews that come in. These platforms don't let you remove bad reviews, unfortunately. So if you do get a negative review, your best bet is to respond to it rationally and politely and never get into an argument online. It's a losing proposition. But respond to it, and then in the future, we're going to try and get many more positive reviews to sort of drown that one out. So if you get 100 positives and 1 or 2 negatives, no big deal. Now, let's say you do get a 1-star review. So, for example, someone says, my insurance company didn't cover these repairs, and they give you a 1-star review over that. Well, that's not really your fault, but you should still respond to it. You could respond and say, hey, we appreciate your feedback, but we don't have any control over whether your insurance company covers these things. And that response isn't even completely for that one person. It's for other people coming in to see that you care and that you do respond and you listen. So now let's say on the other hand, you receive a review, a bad review, and it is your fault. In that case, you should apologize and try to make it right. This just demonstrates your customer service approach, and it actually makes you look good in other prospects' eyes. Once you start getting some good reviews, there are actually some tools out there that will let you embed those reviews right onto your website. And if you need more information on that, let me know. But when customers come to your website, they see all these positive reviews. There's actually ways of just cherry picking the 4 and 5-star reviews for your website. So anyway, guys, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Hey, I'm Jason Ferguson, and I want to help you market your auto body or collision repair business. If you like what you see here, please subscribe and find out more about our digital marketing services at Conspicuous Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.